Dad, look over there!
What happened, Noah?
I saw something big moving in the water. Really? Where? Near those waves. It looked huge.
Stay close to us. Let's watch carefully.
What if it's a shark? Let's not panic before we know what it is. There! Did you see that?
Yes, I saw it.
Let's walk a little closer. Can you see it now?
Yes, and it's definitely not a shark.
Look at that beautiful turtle. Wow! I've never seen one in real life.
Nature looks very different when you are standing right in front of it.
It's so calm. Sometimes animals teach us how to slow down and enjoy the moment.
And this is only our first hour in Hawaii.
Then I think this is going to be the best vacation ever. I can't stop thinking about that turtle. I knew you would love it.
Wait until you see the view from our room.
Wow! We can see the whole ocean! And look at those mountains!
Tomorrow we need to wake up early.
Really?
Yes, waterfall, forest, and maybe even a volcano.
Now I'm even more excited. The sky looks amazing.
Sunsets always remind me to be thankful.
Tomorrow we are going to explore the island
Why?
because our island tours start at 8.
What will we see first?
A rainforest trail.
Then a waterfall. I hope we see more animals too.
Something tells me tomorrow will be full of surprises.
I've never seen trees this tall before. Everything feels so alive here.
That's because Hawaii has amazing nature.
Listen to all those birds. The sounds are beautiful. This place feels like another world.
Travel helps us discover places we never imagined.
I hear water. Me too. Wow, it's huge.
Pictures could never show how impressive it really is.
The water looks so powerful. Can we take a family picture here?
Of course.
One day we'll look back at this photo and smile.
Did you feel that?
A raindrop?
Looks like rain is coming.
Wow, that happened fast.
Quick, let's stand under those trees.
Welcome to tropical weather.
I thought rain would ruin the day. Sometimes unexpected things become the best memories.
Look over there! A rainbow!
That's beautiful.
The sky looks even better now.
Good things often come after difficult moments.
Like the rainbow after the rain.
Exactly. It's hard to believe this mountain was once full of lava.
Nature is incredibly powerful.
It created this island.
I learned more today than I expected.
Travel isn't just about fun.
It's also about learning.
Today was amazing.
What was your favorite part?
The turtle, the waterfall, the rainbow. I can't choose.
That's a good problem to have.
What was your favorite part?
Being together.
I agree. This pineapple tastes so sweet.
Fresh fruit always tastes better here.
Let's talk about our favorite memory from today.
The waterfall. The rainbow.
Watching both of you enjoying the trip.
That's your favorite memory?
Absolutely.
I've never seen so many stars. The sky looks endless.
Moments like this remind us how big the world is.
and how small our worries are.
That's a wise thought.
I learned it from you. I don't want to leave.
I knew you would say that.
Every trip has to end.
Can we come back someday?
I hope so.
And next time we'll discover even more.
I thought Hawaii would just be beaches and fun.
And what did you find instead?
Adventures, learning, and great memories. What's the best thing you are taking home? Not souvenirs.
Not photos? No. The memories we made together.
That's the best souvenir of all.
Travel is not only about visiting beautiful places, it is about spending time with the people you love. The best memories are not things you buy.
They are moments you share together. And those memories stay with you forever.
What was your favorite moment from this Hawaii adventure? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this slow English story, please like, subscribe. See you in the next story.